So this video is kind of like the last thing I want to be filming right now because first off, the lighting's probably terrible. I'm currently bald because I tried to give myself a haircut thanks to coronavirus. And I feel like I really just don't have the energy right now, but you know what? I still really want to burn this jacket, so we're about to start this.
Shut up.
Oh my god! Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome in the first place. And if it's not, welcome back. So this is a very impromptu video because I was not expecting to get this package today, but I did when I went downstairs to go check the mail, and I was like, okay, well, I really want to see these items, so I don't want to open it without you guys, and I wanted to unbox it on camera, so we're here filming this video. Yeah, we're just gonna kind of get started. So this video came about because I had a brand that would not leave me alone with the Instagram ads. You know, like you have those brands that just like, they constantly keep coming up. And this was one of them. And I also they also have like this really like hot, you'll see why I got kind of weird about that later. But there's like one piece that like you see videos of like everywhere. Like if you put in #hypebeast, you definitely see this one jacket. And so I was seeing these pieces all the time. I was like, what is this brand? And then I finally just like bit the bullet and was like, you know what? Let me get a few things. Shocked to find out that going on the site, it's expensive. So here's the box. 2 items, and it cost me $500. What is this, designer? I was kind of shook, but I wanted to just like try it out for myself. Also, sorry if like you can hear my mom screaming in the background. I told her I was filming and she's on the phone and she doesn't know how to be quiet, so sorry about that. So yes, the brand is Daily Paper. You might have seen their ads everywhere. They have some pretty cool imagery, but it was just like ad after ad after ad after ad after ad. They were really coming for me, and I finally bit the bullet and I got a few pieces. So let's get this unboxing started because I want to see them. Okay, so in the box we have the return label, the product name. It doesn't tell me the price, but I'm pretty sure it was about like 440 euros, which ended up being I think about like 490 something dollars. Yeah, a lot for 2 things, a jacket and a pair of jeans from like a new brand. We're gonna go with it. Okay, so first off, like I kind of do like it's kind of like this smoky plastic packaging. I do kind of like that. That's kind of cool. And it has the Daily Paper branding on the front, you can see. I have to admit, it does feel a little bit more upscale than like these other like Instagram ad fashion like streetwear brands. So I will give them that. So the first thing I got was this pair of denim. Also try them on too. I thought it was cool because they have this like front detail, and it's kind of like the pocket is inverted and it's on the outside. And I just thought that was kind of just a cool detail. Let me see if you can see it. You might not be able to see it with this lighting, but it's like they're a light color wash, so I think it'd be great for the spring summer season. Even if we don't get to go outside, like I'm still in the house dressing, wearing jeans, so I'll definitely still be wearing these. Yeah, so they're like a light wash, really good for the spring summer. We'll have to see what these look like on. Yeah, these are pretty short. I might have to go a size up. But in terms of just like the style, I actually don't even know if I like the style. Like these kind of look like, you know what it kind of reminds me of? It kind of reminds me of like the Chanel double bag thing that they did, where like 2 bags like went here and then they hung here, like, and it looked like 2 like udders. I feel like this is what these like kind of like udder pockets. I'm not really a huge fan of them. And I really wanted to like these jeans like before. It's a little upsetting. Okay, so I'm still wearing the pants, by the way. But I ended up like actually looking at how they're supposed to look, and they're supposed to be cropped. And this is the thing, like when you try new styles and like you don't really know, like you haven't really worn them before, so you're not as comfortable with it. Like so when I saw that they were cropped, I was like, oh, I don't know if I like them. But then I put them on with shoes, and I was like, oh wait, they look like they're supposed to be like this. Looked up the website, they are supposed to be like that. So I think actually they are the right size. And the more I wore them, I was kind of like, oh, like I kind of like these. Also, my sister like really liked them. My mom really liked them. And then you know like when you get like that like gassage for other people, like, oh, like I like those, and they're like, oh, maybe they start looking at things differently. So actually, I like the jeans, Okay, so the second thing is the piece that Daily Paper is kind of like known for. So the second thing is the infamous heat sensitive jacket. So this jacket is the piece that like you'd see everywhere. Like you put in hashtag hypebeast, you saw someone in this jacket or someone burning this jacket on a hanger. But it smells, this kind of smells like kind of like chemicals, but then I feel like it has to since it is able to be burned. Yeah, so it's just like this kind of cropped denim jacket with, I thought the sleeves were cool. So I have like these kind of like oversized sleeves, which I thought was like a cool fit. And I thought it was just like, when I've seen it on people, the fit, it like looked really cool. But I just really want to see like the piece de resistance of this ish burning. So let me call over my assistant. Amara, I need your help. Burn, baby, burn.
Oh my gosh, what's up, you guys?
What do you want to do? Do you want to do the...
I want to put it on fire.
No, you can... Okay. Amara's going to light. And then we'll see this baby burn.
Shut up.
Oh my god.
That's so cool.
Oh my god, it's happening. Careful.
Move over.
Holy shit.
Okay. Stop. Bye, guys.
So there you have it. The jacket does burn. Yeah, so like it's heat sensitive, so like when you put heat to it,
Does it go away?
Yeah,
Oh, it does.
It'll like fade.
I don't know.
Are you seeing it fade out? Wow, it's kind of cool. This is the burning jacket from Daily Paper. So let me try this on and see if it actually looks cute. Okay, so here's the jacket on. Can you guys see? I have to go the crops down a little bit. So the sleeves are actually pretty cool. It has kind of like a kimono-esque fit to it. I'm actually into it. Oh, and it has this like cool little detail here, if you can see that. But yeah, the fit is nice. Like it is kind of cropped, so I'm wearing like this ATM white tee underneath, and it kind of goes a little bit past the jacket. But all in all, like it's pretty cool. Like I definitely wear this, and it just like that fire feature is just like who doesn't love like a cool little fashion feature like that, you know? But yeah, I'm into it. Okay. Ooh. But yeah, so overall, like Daily Paper, like the quality is nice, the designs are cool. The price, it's pricey, like it's a pricey brand. But I think it's like, it's trying to like solidify itself as I think more of like a more premium, like high-end streetwear brand. So I think that's why they're doing the prices like that. Also, they probably just have to pay for the amount of ads they're putting out because they put out about 50 a day. At least those are the ones I get. But all in all, like I do actually like the pieces. If we're being completely honest, I was planning on like doing this video because I wanted to do like the fire jacket like thing in a video, and I was gonna return it after. But actually, I really like these pieces, so I don't know if I'm gonna be returning them. So if you see me on Instagram with them, Tibbitts, which you should all follow, shameless plug, then you know that I did return them. But yeah, all in all, Daily Paper, pretty cool brand. And I'll leave some other pieces that I was thinking about getting down in the description box below, because of course like there were a lot of pieces I liked. I wasn't about to spend $5,000 on like 6 pieces. So like, I only ended up going with these 2. And these actually were 2 pretty good pieces. I'll be able to style them well. Amara.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
This is why I need to be back in my own apartment. Okay, anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on another one hopefully soon. Laters.